longitude and latitude using absolute and relative locations. Sorry, I just realized my captions weren't on. Let's start over, guys. Latitude and longitude using absolute and relative locations. The learning objective here is students will be able to use longitude and latitude to determine absolute and relative location. So we're going to learn about absolute location, relative location, map projection, distortion, latitude, and finally, sorry, my picture's in the way, longitude. Notes. You're going to write notes as you follow along on the slides. This is what your notes look like. They are guided notes. So we'll have definitions at the top, and then you will be able to use your textbook to follow along and take your notes out of the textbook. Absolute location. It is the precise point where a place is located on Earth. Absolute location. A specific place on the Earth's surface uses a grid system, latitude and longitude, a global address. There's a picture of latitude, there's a picture of longitude. As you'll notice, here is the North Pole. Down here at the very bottom is the South Pole, and you will see some other things as we go along in the presentation. Absolute location. You're going to read and take notes. You'll be using page 12 in your textbook. You will then do the absolute assignment, absolute location assignment. Then you will do a peer review. You will give your assignment to your peer to review and then turn it in once it is correct. Relative location. Where a place is located in relation to another place. Relative location assignment. You're going to read and take notes. Once again, you'll be using page 12. Then you will complete the worksheet, relative location assignment, and then you will share with a peer, revise if needed, and then turn in. Relative location, like it says, is the position of a place as compared to another landmark. For example, the relative location of Tennessee to Alabama is north. From our school, we can say that north, if we go north, if we're in front of the school and we go north, then we can go to McDonald's and have lunch. Map projection is a way of representing the spherical Earth on a flat surface. Map projection. And see, I have different pictures up here of the map projections for you so that you can see. Read and take notes. Once again, you'll be on page 12 in your textbook. Then you'll do the map projection assignment, share it with a peer, revise if needed, then turn it in. Distortion. It is a change in the shape, size, or position of a place when it shows on a map. Once again, this is a picture of distortion of a map. Distortion. You're going to read and take notes, and then you're going to do the distortion assignment. Yeah, you might be wondering, why is there a picture of a clementine here? Well, you are going to make a flat globe. So yes, everybody is going to have their own clementine, or you and a partner can get together and you can have a clementine, and then you can do the assignment together. So today would be an okay day for you to have a partner, but I do have enough clementines if you'd like to work on your own. Latitude, the horizontal imaginary lines that run parallel and at equal distance above and below the equator. Latitude assignment. You're going to read textbook page 15 and 16 and take notes. Do the latitude assignment. Share with a peer, revise if needed, then turn in. Latitude, as you'll notice, is north and south, and it is also measured in degrees. Latitude varies from 0 degrees at the equator to 90 degrees north and at the South Poles. And there is a picture of latitude so that you can see. And you can see that their lines run parallel. Longitude. The imaginary lines running from the North Pole to the South Pole at the Earth's circumference. The lines of longitude are also often called meridians. Longitude assignment. You're going to read page 16 and 17 and take notes. Do the assignment. Share it with a peer, revise if needed, then turn in. Longitude, as you see, what does it kind of look like? Maybe a watermelon? Yes. Longitude, east and west. Longitude varies from 0 degrees at Greenwich to 180 degrees east and west, or Greenwich. It depends on where you're from and how people pronounce it. Okay, thank you guys. Have a good day.